Do you ever wonder why people could eat all day and feel amazing without feeling bloated or sluggish and still perform at their peak and highest level? Baby, it's not magic. Do you know what it is? Come here. Come here. Come a little closer. It's all about eating in alignment with your gut. Let me introduce to you the garden method. The garden method. That's it. That's it. It's simply aligning your gut with the foods from earth to optimize digestion, hydration, and regeneration. That's the garden method. The garden method is a system that will help you transform how you eat forever. Literally. If you're new here, you might be wondering who I am. I am Sanaya, the holistic nutritionist, and I am the founder of Self Love Foundation, an academy of holistic healing, nutrition, teachings, and natural food. I'm just basically here to help high achievers achieve and master gut health without starvation using the garden method. After years of struggling with bloatedness and sluggishness and all that stuff, like literally I could not do it anymore, I realized that it wasn't about restricting my favorite foods. It was about feeding my cells with pure nourishment. Pure nourishment. That's all it was. So let's break it down. G is to grow with hydration. It is important to fuel your cells with water-based foods. Foods that has taken water to grow them. Food that has taken the sun to hydrate the water and make sure it grows. So yes, G is to grow with hydration. A is to align with nature. That is our problem in today's society. We have not aligned with nature in a very long time. And I'm here to teach you why you should be aligning with nature every single day, every single minute, every single hour, period. R is to regenerate at a cellular level. Foods that rebuild your gut lining, foods that rebuild your cells, foods that will talk to your cells so you can regenerate at a proper rate. D is to digest with ease. You don't want to be digesting your foods for 48 hours. 2 months. No, you need 20 minutes, baby, and go to the bathroom and get that out of you. You want to keep it light and keep it cute or full of fruits, okay? Yes, that is how you digest with ease. Then you won't be bloated. Then you won't be sluggish. You won't feel so tired. You have all this energy. You will feel like you're just glowing at all times of the day. E is to energize without restriction. How do you do that? With fruits, with H3O2. You get those electrical foods to energize your electrons inside of your body. Simple. N is to nourish. You nourish the gut-brain axis. Yes, the gut-brain axis. What is the gut-brain axis? The gut-brain axis is the neurological pathway that takes your gut to your brain through your spinal cord. All right? So that's why they say your gut is your second brain, because it's literally a direct pathway. That is how you optimize your functioning as a human. Is that deep? By eating and using the garden method for your gut health, you will improve your mental clarity. You will have better digestion. Your skin will glow. Okay? Your skin will glow. Your nails will grow. Your hair will grow. Everything will be perfect. Your productivity will be in the most creative state that you just feel like you need more hours in a day. But when you optimize your own self, you know that you're working and you're aligning with nature. Nature is never rushed and everything is always accomplished. So make sure that you are aligning and being in alignment and in harmony and balance with your gut and your body and nature in general. I just have tons of case studies that have my clients operate on the garden method and has rid IBS, has rid high cholesterol, high blood pressure, weight gain. It's just so much. Colitis, like it's just so much. Kidney stones, like it's just so much. And I'm so grateful that I have had the ability to do things like that for my clients. But if you are looking to see the testimonials, just click on this page. If this topic or this method resonates with you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I am diving deep, so you can know what to do in order to master your gut health without starvation. All right, so don't forget to keep it light, keep it cute, and full of fruit. And I will see you all in the next video.